Hey there! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of digital transformation. Buckle up, because we've got the ultimate guide to streamline your supply chain and boost efficiency. Step 1. Assess your current state. First things first, know where you stand. Evaluate your current processes and technologies. Identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Conduct thorough audits, surveys, and feedback sessions. Leverage analytics tools to gather data. Example: use the Internet of Things devices to track inventory in real time. Step 2. Set clear objectives. Define your goals. What do you want to achieve with digital transformation? Improved visibility, cost reduction, or enhanced customer experience? Engage key stakeholders. Set smart objectives: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Example: increase order fulfillment speed by 20% in the next 12 months. Step 3. Invest in the right technologies. Time to shop for the tech that fits like a glove. Cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things are your best buddies here. Evaluate vendors, consider scalability, and train your team. Example: implement a cloud-based ERP system for real-time data accessibility. Step 4. Foster a digital culture. Transform your team into digital champions. Embrace a culture that values innovation, continuous learning, and adaptability. Organize workshops, provide training programs, and reward innovation. Example: launch a monthly innovation day where employees pitch digital solutions. Step 5. Monitor and optimize continuously. It's not a one-and-done deal. Constantly monitor performance, gather feedback, and optimize your processes. Utilize analytics tools, conduct regular reviews, and stay agile. Example: predict and optimize with demand analytics. And there you have it, the roadmap to digital transformation success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.